What you see here on the screen is my N8N server running on the server 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, non-stop, executing all the automations I programmed. And in a few minutes, you'll have yours too. Come with me and I'll show you. If you use N8N in the cloud on the N8N.io website, you'll see that the prices are considerably higher. And the worst part is that there's a limit on executions per month. When you reach the limit, the automations stop or you have to pay more. The other option would be to use N8N locally on your computer. But when the computer closes or shuts down, all the automations stop. So what I discovered as a fantastic solution is precisely having a private server here at Hostinger. It's the best solution, the most economical service that exists today in my experience with VPNs. Super easy, super reliable, and most importantly, you'll have unlimited N8N without depending on third parties. By clicking the link in the description of this video, you'll go straight to the Hostinger page where we already have the VPS with N8N practically installed. And that's what I'm going to show you now. So with this link in the description, you'll get a special price. And in a few seconds, I'm going to give you an extra discount coupon so you can get an even lower price. You won't find anything cheaper than this. There's no point in looking. Here in this video, you'll get the best option of all, okay? So here we are, let's scroll down a little bit. Here we have the 4 types of VPS that currently exist on Hostinger. I recommend starting with KVM1 and then, if necessary, you can upgrade. Here are the plans. So the next step is to choose the contract period. The longer the period, the cheaper it gets. Here we have the option for 1 month, 12 months, or 24. I recommend at least 12 months or 24 months. To make it more worthwhile financially. You can see the total here and look, an additional discount, you're going to type in DIEGODAVILA and you'll get an extra 10% off. You can see here that the final price dropped a lot. Great. Continuing, what's the location of your server? Here, you're going to put where you live. If you live in Europe, whichever country it is, you select it here. Right now I'm here near São Paulo, so I'll choose São Paulo. And here we have to choose the operating system. This is optional. You can do it now or later, but since we're here, let's do it now, right? We click here on N8N. If you can't find it, you come here to search and type N8N. Sometimes this system changes a little bit. So if you're not seeing this part to choose the operating system, don't worry because it will show up in just a bit, okay? Continue, we confirm. Excellent. So everything's all set. Now let's click on continue to proceed with the purchase of our plan. And we have the option here to register by clicking on the Google icon. You can use your Google account or enter your email and a password here for yourself. Great. I'll fill in my first name, last name, address, all the information and click continue. And here we have the payment options. We can pay with credit card, Google Pay, all these options. And here extra payment methods. Choose the one that's best for you and we'll continue with the process here. I'll enter my card details. In this case, I chose credit card and send payment. We need to create a root password, which will be the password to access your N8N. You can click on generate password or type it in and save this password somewhere that's easy to access. Let's go to the next step. Excellent. Let's finish the setup. Excellent. It's setting up your SE, your VPS here on Hostinger. In a few seconds, this will be ready for us to start using N8N. Congratulations, our server is installed. Whenever we want to see or visit our VPS server and access N8N, we come to this address, which is the main address you need to remember. It's hpanel.hostinger.com. When you get here, you click on the VPS option, and here we have our VPS running smoothly with all the information. We have the IP address, it's active, spectacular. To manage, to access N8N, we click on Manage, and here we click on Manage Application. We will have to create a password here, which is for N8N. This is already to access the N8N application inside your VPS that is already installed. So I'm going to create that now. Great, it's asking a few questions here about our company. Let's skip this part and we're ready. Look, the N8N server is all set for us to start creating any kind of automation. Let me show you some automations I have here on my other server. All the automations I have are here. You can see that we have several automations running. There are automations that help automate my company's sales process, artificial intelligence agents that create content for websites and blogs, automatically WhatsApp automations, ad automations, and much more. This automation took a list of ideas, topics for articles for a blog that I provided, and it creates, using ChatGPT in this example, the text for the entire article. It creates the image that will be published in the article in the blog, and it publishes it automatically on my WordPress site. You can see the steps here. It uploads the image, uploads the article, and in the end, updates my list of ideas. If you're a beginner with N8N and want to learn more, there's also a link in the description to my complete N8N automation course, which you can access very easily and quickly to fully master automation creation. I hope to see you in the next video. A big hug and see you soon.